Hey guys, it's Miss S here again. So I'm sitting around the house, I'm by myself, and I was thinking, hey, let's create a game. Let's make it and let's play it. So this is a game you can play by yourself or with a partner. So I made a board game, or I made the board, and I got a piece of paper, and I just made 2 rows. So this is something I can play with a partner with the 2 rows. So if I'm gonna play it by myself today, then I'm just gonna use the 1 row. So I put 8 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I wrote start at the bottom, finish at the top. Then I needed dice. So I looked in all the games. I went around in our game closet and I got 5 dice. So I had to have that. So I got my board game, I put that down here, and I have my dice. Then I cut out some pieces of paper, just some little squares, rectangles, kind of. And I wrote the numbers 2 through 10 on them. So this one has a 9 on it. And what I did was I just folded them all in half and then in half again. And I put them in this bucket. So I have all my pieces of paper in there, 2 through 10. And so you need that. So you need a way that you can pull out numbers and choose numbers in a bucket, 2 through 10. Then I needed like a game piece and like a counter. Before we left school, we talked about you could use a marshmallow as your counter, and you can eat some while you're at it. So I looked around. I didn't have any marshmallows, and so I tried to be creative, and I thought, I'll go in the bathroom, see if there's anything in there I could use. And I found some lipsticks. So I got 2 lipsticks. If I'm gonna play this with a partner, then, you know, I put 1 lipstick on the start, the other one on the other start. And those will be my little people that I can move. So I'm only playing by myself since I'm alone today. So I have the lipstick there on my start, and here's how we start. Here's how we play this game. It's a math game, and it's gonna help our brain to add numbers, or we could subtract. We could play it with the subtraction, but for sake of today, we'll just do numbers that we add. So I'm gonna roll, oh no, wait, I gotta pull my number out of the bucket. So I have to have a number, like a goal number, something that I'm shooting for. So I pulled out a number 5. All right, so my number that I'm working towards is 5. So I'm gonna roll my dice, and I'm gonna try to make 5 with as many numbers as I can. So I have 4, 1, 1, 5, and 3. Now, if I can only make 5 with the dice that has 5 on it, I'm only gonna get 1 point. And I'm only gonna get to move 1 square. So I'm gonna try to figure out a way to make 5 with the most dice. So I do see that I have a 4 and a 1, and I know that makes 5. I could use that. But I was noticing that I have a 3 and a 1 and another 1. So 3 plus 1 plus another 1 is 5. That would give me 3 points because I was able to use the 3 dice to make my move. So I get to go 3 spots. So I'd move 1, 2, 3. You can make your game board bigger too, but this way it would, you know, you get finished faster. All right, so then I would just pick another number out of the bucket. Oh, I could throw 5 back in there, or maybe I don't want to do 5 again. Maybe I'll just set it aside. All right, trying to grab one. I got 2. All right, I got a 2. It's a 2. So I'm gonna take my dice and I'm gonna roll them again. Remember, we're trying to make 2 with as many dice as possible. So I'm hoping I get a couple 1s. We'll see. Now, I did not. The only way I can make 2 is with the 2. So I only get to move one spot because I only used one dice. Now, what happens if I roll the dice and I cannot make my number at all? Like maybe there wasn't a 2 and I can't make 2 at all with any of those numbers. I don't get to move. I gotta give it to the next person for their turn. So I hope that this game will be fun for you. Go search your games for dice, get them all together. Now, you know how I feel about lost game pieces. We talk about this all the time. So make sure when you're done, you go put them back in the game they came from. That's so important because when you go to play the game next time, you won't have the dice you need for that game. So I hope you play this today, and it was really fun making it. So it's kind of cool to make a game and then you can play it. That should take up some time today. Anyway, I hope you're all doing good. I miss my class so much, and I hate being stuck inside all day, but you know, we're staying healthy and that's a good thing. So let me know, did you do any shamrocks yesterday? Did you send your family on a shamrock hunt? I'm kind of curious about that. You're welcome to email me, text me, let me know how you're doing. All right, so have a great day, and I will catch up with you tomorrow. Have fun playing the dice game.